Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor. My life has been so weird lately. That paper ain't gonna ever lie to me. It always stay the same. A $1 bill stay $1. A $5 bill stay $5. 100 stay 100 with you. No cap. Do y'all watch my YouTube lives? I be on YouTube live sometimes, venting. Make sure y'all turn y'all notifications on so y'all know when I post another video.
So I feel like I'm having like a midlife crisis. I'm not even in my midlife yet, right? Like, am I even have? Well, we don't know when we're leaving this earth. But anyway, I feel like I started like content creation before like the hype, like 2016.
I really got a rant to talk to y'all about because y'all my people. Like y'all my people. Y'all my peoples.
I'm really not even good at recording, but it's the next day. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just trying to say that it's so hard trying to create content and stuff now because like so many other people doing it, it's hard to be unique because you're always trying to find new ways to be like yourself. And like when I first started doing this, it wasn't like as it is now. It's like not fun. It's like people be doing stuff just to do it, not because they really like it. Like it's just
Want to get rid of this. Yes, me.
basically I'm just tired of myself and feeling under accomplished. And I recently like been able to not just have myself around myself, if that makes sense. I've been like being sociable a little bit, and it has gotten me somewhere in some ways.
Do this thumbnail. Y'all see it. Sometimes I feel like I have nobody to really express my feelings to other than my mom or my sister. Like, I don't really have friends that I can really be genuinely open with. This my best friend, like I can open up to her. But this my best, like I never had that at all. So it's like I feel like sometimes that's why I be booted up in front of people or don't really want to deal with people. And because whenever I do open myself up to people, I feel like I'm always the one with the fucked up end of the stick. Like on so many levels, it's like I'm stuck. Person recently told me that I wonder what is the definition of a loner because in my head, I'm like, I'm not a loner. I'm not a loner. I'm not a loner. But then it goes back to what I just literally said. Like, I never can be around people because basically I don't trust them. They stab me in the back. They tell me one thing and they do another. And it's just like, you can't fucking trust a soul. So, like, that's how I'm feeling. A loner is someone who prefers solitude and spending time alone. I'm the only one bringing value and peace in my life. People come in and they don't be peaceful at all. They be weirdos.
Said he loved the cripple. Never loved, he said, those who were greedy. Never loved, he said, those who were caught. The only one that he loves, he doesn't respond. The only one that he has a relationship with that's verifiable, he acts odd with him. The one who's ministered to him.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna be ending this video soon. She look dark. You look so dark right now. But that's because she put my makeup on. Probably put bronzer everywhere. Contour. What you did?
I was trying to fix my face because it's all different.
What do you like most about mommy? Do you love mommy? What do you love about mommy?
And the channels, the videos on YouTube. I love vlogging YouTube when I get in trouble. So I have a YouTube channel and I'll show you in a week.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Say good morning. It's the next day. I'm gonna end this vlog very soon, guys. I'm just trying to make sure I get all the content and just show y'all how I have a lot going on. This one is sick. I should have got her some Pedialyte. Good morning. Hello. How are you?
And she weighs 39 pounds. Height, weight, and age, she's in the 22 percentile, which is perfect. Normal's 5 to 85. And it looks like she came up a little bit. Is she eating more? Yeah. So the last time she was here for her 4 years, she was at 12 percentile, and today she's at 22. So she's growing.
I'm putting two and two together. I was sick. My mama was sick, and now she's sick.
Has it. Okay. Did y'all get tested for anything? No. Okay. There's a lot of flu going around right now, but she does have a right ear infection. Has she been complaining with ear pain?
Yeah, the antibiotics. We came here like 2 weeks ago.
Did she finish it?
Yes, ma'am.
She did. Let me see what we had her on. What's ear?
I did it for 10 days.
Yeah. It's still, and it's very tender too. When I touch it, it hurt her. So she hasn't complained of it hurting anymore? Can you open your mouth? Say stick your tongue out. Her throat looks a little red. She's still got a little bit of boogers.
Yeah.
Can you take a deep breath?
She's been like shaking in her sleep.
Like she's got fever.
Yeah.
Can you take a deep breath?
She shouldn't go to school today.
If she has a fever, no.
Okay.
They usually want them to be fever free for 24 hours.
Okay.
Can you lay back for me?
Hey guys, what's up? So I basically just wanted to end this video really fast. Turn that down. So I basically wanted to just end the video really quickly. I'm coming real ratchet, but I appreciate everybody who's been tuning into my videos lately. I really plan on being very consistent and just keeping the content going, period. No days off. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. Let me know down in the comment below what you kind of like about this vlog or just me vlogging. If y'all like me vlogging, make sure y'all like the video and comment down below what y'all like about the video. I love y'all. Bye.